Bluetooth headsets are being provided to the schools for teacher use with the Chromebook and Chromeboxes. These units have built-in noise cancellation to help improve audio when doing virtual instruction. The distribution of the headsets will be based on student membership at each school. This video will review the features of the headset and demonstrate how to pair with your Chromebook or Chromebox. The LED indicator flashes blue when powered on and flashes red and blue when pairing. The volume up and down buttons are located on either side of the LED indicator. Holding the volume down button will mute your microphone. The multifunction button is used to pair the device. Easily charge your headset by moving the cover and accessing the charging port. This wireless headset is designed for comfort. The headset features an adjustable headband and a 180-degree rotatable microphone. In order to pair successfully, make sure the device is fully charged. Make sure the headset is off by holding down the multifunction button for 5 seconds. Press and hold multifunction button until red and blue lights flash on. Look for Delta 10X in the list of devices in your Bluetooth settings. Select to pair with the headset. Now you're ready to start.